Hello, lovely people. When was the last time that you tried this green soup? In Ghana, we call this abunabuno. And bibia yebuno it was wow. So in today's recipe, I'm going to share with you how I prepare my green soup or abunabuno. Simple and easy, and you like it. I'll leave all the ingredients that I'm using in today's recipe in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. Thank you. And if today is your first time watching this page or channel, welcome you back to Home Sweet Food channel. It's a local food that we are cooking today. This soup is very popular in Ghana and people love it because of the fresh ingredient that we use in making this soup. It makes it healthy. So I'm going to cook the spinach and then the onion and then the turkey berry and the green pepper first. This is not the normal green pepper that we have it in the supermarket. I'll leave everything in the description box. I added habanero pepper, which is green. So I'm cooking these first. When it's half done, then I'm adding the spinach. I don't want to overcook the spinach. That is why I cook the onion and then the turkey berry first. So right now the fire is off. So I'm just using the heat in the water to cook the spinach. And this is shrimp. I'm just giving a little heat, and when it's done, I'm going to add it on the ginger, onion, and then the garlic. I just do this to avoid adding a lot of seasoned salt in my soup. And you can try this method and you will like it. It will help you to avoid adding a lot of Maggi cube or any seasoned salt, just natural way. So I've just added all my meat and then the mushroom, the blended onion, ginger, garlic, and then the shrimp. And then I added 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. With the mushroom, if you're in Ghana, it's so common to you. But if you're not in Ghana, check your Asian market and you will find it. Love you all. This has been on fire for 5 minutes and then I just added a little water. You cover and then cook on low medium heat if you're not in rush. Home sweet food, sharing our recipes. Home sweet food. Right now I'm adding blended turkey berry, onion, and then the peppers. To get that green color of the soup, I've been cooking this meat for 15 minutes and the meat is done, and then the spinach too. Remember, we cook it, so when you add the spinach, you shouldn't take long on the fire or you're gonna lose that green color that you are looking for. So on low heat, you cook it and then you enjoy home sweet food. Adriana pa obuna nkasa you call the local. Thank you all and keep on watching. Don't forget to share this video with your loved ones and then follow this page for more Ghanaian food recipe. I love you all for the support and keep on watching. And what will fufu be with your fish yummy near farm boss on low medium heat. Thank you. Love you all. Take care till we meet in another video. Where did he said, Home